Welcome to Psychology Class for All. Here is the second part of the 13th chapter, namely Statistics for Psychology for CUET PG syllabus. In this video, I will discuss relevance of statistics in psychological research. As we know, statistics is a crucial tool in psychological research that provides methods for organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. It helps researchers to draw valid conclusions, make predictions, and enhance the reliability and validity of their studies. Without statistical methods, psychology would struggle to establish evidence based findings and generalizable theories. In this connection, need to understand the importance of statistics in psychological research. First is organizing and summarizing data. As raw psychological data can be overwhelming, statistics helps organize it in a meaningful way. Descriptive statistics, that is mean, median, mode, standard deviation, summarizes data, making it easier to understand. Second is identifying patterns and trends. Statistical methods help detect trends and relationships in behavior and mental processes. For example, correlational analysis may show a relationship between sleep deprivation and anxiety levels. Third is making data driven decisions. Researchers use inferential statistics to make conclusions about a population based on a sample. It helps the psychologist to determine whether findings are due to chance or significant patterns. For example, a clinical psychologist testing a new therapy for depression relies on statistical tests to confirm its effectiveness. Fourth is testing hypotheses and theories. Psychological theories must be tested using psychological or statistical models to validate or refine them. For example, the effectiveness of CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, in reducing anxiety can be evaluated through controlled experiments and statistical analysis. Fifth is establishing cause and effect relationship. Experimental psychology relies on statistical tools to determine causation. Methods such as ANOVA and regression analysis help establish causal links between variables. Example could be a study on memory retention and study techniques uses statistical tools such as to confirm whether spaced repetition improves recall. Sixth is enhanced reliability and validity of research. Here, reliability ensures consistency in research findings. Reliability could be test reliability or other types, and validity that determines whether a study measures what it claims to measure or not. For example, a standardized IQ test undergoes statistical validation to confirm its accuracy. Now, about real life applications of statistics in psychology. In clinical psychology, it is used to analyze patient progress and treatment effectiveness. For example, comparing the effectiveness of medications versus therapy in treating depression. In educational psychology, it helps to design better learning strategies based on statistical research. For example, analyzing student test scores to determine the impact of new teaching methods. In industrial organizational psychology, it is used in employee performance analysis and workplace productivity studies. Example could be predicting job satisfaction based on workplace environment factors. In social psychology, It helps to understand societal behaviors and attitudes through survey and experiments. Example, studying public opinion on mental health awareness. In cognitive psychology, it is used to measure attention, perception, and memory process. Example can be analyzing reaction times in decision making experiments. There are some limitations of the statistics in psychological research as well, as it cannot capture subjective experience. Subjective experiences like emotions, thoughts, and behaviors cannot always be quantified accurately. Correlation does not imply causation. Just because two variables are related does not mean one causes the other or vice versa. Sampling bias, uh, poorly chosen samples may lead to misleading conclusions. Ethical concerns, misuse of statistical data can lead to unethical conclusions or discriminations. While concluding this video, I can say that statistics plays a vital role in psychological research by enabling scientists to analyze data, test their theories, and make informed decisions. Despite its limitations, it remains a foundational tool for advancing knowledge in psychology. Understanding statistics allows psychologists to draw meaningful conclusions that that improve mental health interventions, workplace productivity, and educational outcomes. Thank you.